What's up, guys? I'm back here today just to do a quick video about a very simple thing on a VTX 1800 1300 too. It's work for both as the same. The thing is, when you change your tire, you don't have to take the shaft out. Alright, you don't have to take the shaft out, because usually I saw couple guys taking the shaft here, those 4 bolts here, to change the tire, to take the wheels out and change the tire. You don't have to. What you gotta do is, when you lose the axle here, when you lose it over here, when you take the nut out, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lose another screw here, over here, that holds, I'm talking about this guy here, that goes here, and this is what holds the brake. So when you brake your bike, it's gonna hold off. All right, so you take this here out, and then you take the caliper and this base, everything came together out. Then you just move your wheel a little bit to the right side of the bike, and you will be able to remove. Of course, lift it up nicely. I got that from Amazon, probably $7-80. I got 2 of them because my space here is not that much. So quick and simple thing, really simple thing, so you can change your tire really fast. You can take the wheels out and put the wheels back easily. And once you take this guy here out, you're gonna have a lot of extra time assembling it back, because you're gonna have to take the shock out too, and could happens the shaft inside of there, the axle inside here, you can get it loose from the front of on the gear box, and then you're gonna have a problem. It's not a problem, but you're gonna have more time. You're gonna spend more time to fix it. In the front, it's simple thing, really simple thing, quick. I got these guys here from this is from Metzeler Cruiser Tech. I spent $550, I think, on these 2 guys here. Let's see how they're gonna last, and you know, that's it. Take care. Just a quick video to show you guys how to do an easy tire change, just a chip for you all. Alright, thanks for watching us. See you next video. Bye.